Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. I'm getting ready for work, but first I wanted to show you these amazing work boots by Carhartt. I really love these boots. I work in a greenhouse. Sometimes it's cold and rainy, sometimes it's snowy and icy. These boots do everything to protect my feet that I needed them to do. One of the features I love the most is that even though they are warm and they keep my feet nice and dry, I love that it has technology to wick away the sweat. So I'm not standing in a pool of sweat inside my boot. Nobody likes that feeling. Nobody wants that for a boot. But these boots are breathable, they're bendable and flexible, they're really durable. You can see here that I have some scuff marks on the toes. That could have been my foot, but they protected my feet from having things fall on them. I really do enjoy these boots. I walk at least 4 to 5 miles, sometimes more in a day, and I am very thankful for how comfortable these boots are. They are a trusted brand by Carhartt. We actually really enjoy the Carhartt brand in this family, and we get a lot of wear and tear out of the Carhartt brand boots. So if you're looking for a work boot and you need something to protect your feet that's going to keep them dry and comfortable all day long and warm, then you should definitely check out these boots by Carhartt. They're very easy to clean, very durable. These boots are really easy to slip on, which is another great feature. I really love these boots. I think you will too, and that's my point of view.